Hey Byrdie, I'm Katie Lee. I'm a TV chef and cookbook author, and these are my just 5 things. I'm a bit of a beauty junkie. That being said, I like to keep things simple. I don't like to spend a lot of time doing my makeup, so I gotta have products that are effective and get the job done fast. So I really love this Revlon Candid foundation. This is great because it's really buildable coverage. It doesn't go on super heavy, so I can kind of build it up as I need it. And what I usually like to do, I take it and I just put a little bit on my hand like this. And then I get a wet beauty blender, or I'll use the back of my ring finger and just kind of dot it on. I usually start under my eyes. I put a little bit on my nose because my nose gets kind of red. And then I go right along the bottom here. And then I use a beauty blender and just kind of blend it in as I need it so that it's not a full face of foundation. After I have my foundation on, I go for the bronzer. I love RMS Beauty. This is a great clean line. I use it for a little bit of everything. I take it and go in a C shape here, just under my cheekbone, and curve up to where my eyes are. And then I actually use it as my eyeshadow as well. So it's a way of kind of adding just a little contour. So I go right in the middle of my eyelid and build a little shadow there. And then I like to take it along the bridge of my nose on either side to just kind of slim my nose down. So it's a little bit of contouring, but it also highlights a little bit at the same time because there's a little bit of metallic in there as well. I love this. I'm a big believer that if your hair doesn't look good, you don't really feel your best. So I think it starts with hair color. I am absolutely, totally obsessed with this new Revlon Total Color. I have grays, I'm getting to that age, and they always want to come in right in my part. And it doesn't matter if I'm doing a center part or a side part, they're in there. I'd say it's probably been about 10 days since I colored my hair, and I love it. I mean, I think it's so nice and shiny. It takes about 30 minutes total. My mom and her friends actually color their hair together. They'll pick a day and they have like a little party of coloring each other's hair. So why not make a girl's day of it? I always have to have mascara. That's the one thing I don't want to leave the house without, even if I can't put anything else on my face. And right now, I love this new product, Saie Beauty. So this is a really great clean mascara, which I find that it's hard to find a good green beauty mascara choice. Saie really stays in its place. If you look at the tip of the brush, it has a little curve to it. And after you've taken it through your lashes, put it upright and go on the ends, and it really pulls the ends of the lashes out and makes them look super long. Next up, gotta have a good lip gloss. I love Lawless products. So Lawless is another clean beauty, and this doesn't have any petroleum in it, no parabens, and it goes on really smoothly. It's a great color. It's got this wonderful kind of peachy pink to it, and there's a shine. I know matte lips have been in style for a while, but I always love a little bit of shine. Thank you so much for watching. These are my just 5 things, and if you have any questions, just DM me on Instagram, Katie Lee Kitchen. I love talking about beauty.